Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart here at Holy Spirit Catholic School in Annandale, Virginia. Beautiful time with the kindergarten through 8th graders today. The first program, K through 5, dealt with anti-bullying, where we look at someone's heart first, just like God looks at the heart first, right? 1 Samuel 16:7 says that man, woman, we look at the outward appearance, but God really looks at the heart, that we see people like we see our best friends. And I like the mantra, the motto over here, inspiring minds, inspiring hearts, right? And by seeing someone for their heart first, that's really how we start to really show this inspiration. We share this kindness, and hopefully someone else that sees it will want to do the same thing. Like the shirt says here, one race human. We see everybody as human beings before anything else too, that we try to strive to do that, to really embody Christ and the way that he taught us to live and how to treat other people, that we see people through his eyes and through his heart, right? Show that unconditional love and that compassion no matter what. And a big part of that too is really knowing our worth and our value, and then being able to see that in other people. And so etched on all of our palms with the lines of our hand, we have the letter M for miracle, upside down W for worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And we know this from Isaiah 49, that says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And that's so, it's just such a pure and really beautiful way for people to finally see, their own self-worth, and then go out and be that light to someone else's heart and help them see their own worth. And that kind of tied into the other focus for the older grades today, grades 6 through 8, which was positive life choices, being your best self, never giving up. The times that we want to give up is usually right before we're about to succeed. And that anything in life, we have the effort and God has the outcome. That the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting, giving up. And so many times we think if we make a mistake, if we fail once or twice, that automatically, we are failures ourselves, but it's so far from the truth. And, God, to be the best version of who we can be, we have to let him fully enter our heart. We have to become those healed people to help heal other people. But first and foremost, we have to love ourselves, right? Because if we don't, we can't give that out to other people as well. So it's so important for us to get past some of the negative beliefs and things that people say. There's a lot of opinions out there, but not everyone matters. What matters is what we truly believe and what our best true friends believe, and the fact that we are children of God, of the Most High, created in his image and likeness, that we know our divine nature and our divine worth. So again, thank you for touching my heart. It was an honor to be here today to share with all of you guys. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, never forget that you guys are true miracles, right? And keep spreading the kindness, keep spreading the peace. Much love. Peace.